Where did you get that gift?
Uh,
Where did you get your gift?
from Mama.
Okay, and how about the other?
This.
What's that?
It's a candy. It's candy. Candy.
Dami mong gift ah. How many?
Monster. It's a monster truck.
Wow. Do you like it? Oh, late. Tomorrow na yan. Oh, open mo na muna yung mga gift. Dali. Open your gift. What's that? Ball. How about that? Wow. What is that?
It's a bubble.
It's a bubble. So don't open it tomorrow na. Let's just open lang the gift. Tomorrow na mag-open ng mga laman. What's that? What's that po? What's that? You open it. Open it. Wow, what is that? Wow.
It's a sports car.
Wow, it's a sports car. Do you like it?
This one, the pink
How about this one? What's inside? Dami mong gift ah. What's that?
This one.
What's that? It's a bag. Wow. What's that? What's that? Oh. What is this? What is that? Check it. What's inside? Wow. What's that? It's a... Next, open it. Uy, wag mo sirain. What's this? It's a Charmy. And wow. White. It's a bone. What's that? Macy? You should show me what's inside. Be careful. Hindi mo ganyan. Oh. What's that? It's KFC. Check it.
Huh?
Check it. What is that? Don't open the box. What is that? Oh my god! It's a knife! Okay, it's a knife. Wow! Oh, no, oh, galing ah.
It's a bowl.
It's a bowl? Yeah. Wow. You like it?
Yes.
Okay, how about that? Oh, be careful. Be careful. Oh, be careful. Baka masugatan ka. Dami ah.
Look at this.
Wow. No. Oh, next. Done? Done na? How about this one? It's a puzzle. And this one. You did not open this. What is this? Be careful. Be careful. Why did you bite it? Just open it. Okay. What's inside? Be careful. What's that? It's a book? May I check? What book is that? Careful, careful. Careful. Wow. What's this?
Oh, look at this.
Wow, Macy. It's a super book. Teach every nation. It's a Bible school.